beautiful day, isn't it? Look at that sky. It's getting dark, though. It's dark right there. We've been hearing thunder all morning, at least for the last hour or so. But, oh, come on. Oh, come on. Just, wait, here it comes. Oh, yeah, it's right over there. Yeah, see, it's right over there. Well, hi, Salem. You better get in your house before the rain comes. Come here, kitty. Come here, kitty. Come on, baby.
Mom, did you see it?
Hear the thunder?
Yeah, but...
That's right there. Look, you should be able to see lightning, though. I don't see any lightning. Just a lot of thunder. Oh, come on. I mean, it feels like it's like 75 out here. A little bit of a breeze. God, that's a long roll of thunder. Here, I thought the neighbor was working on cars. He's a mechanic. Or I thought it was space. No, it's thunder. It is over Los Alamos right now. God dang it. Wish I was on the roof of the house I could see.
That's gonna be inside.
Wow, that's so strange. Yeah. Something's rolling in. Did you see it? Lightning, Lauren, did you see it? It was right there. It was really quick. I don't know if I captured it on camera, though. It was too quick. It wasn't that big of a bolt.
Yeah. Lightning always does that. Whoa, I saw it.
You saw it?
Yeah. It was like right there with the power line was.
Where the power line was.
Yeah, it was like right there.
You saw the whole sky flash, huh?
Yeah, it was like right.
I feel a little drop of rain.
I saw it right over with this house.
I wonder which way it's moving. If we're going to make it to Trader Joe's, we better get going, huh?
Yep.
We better get our jackets on. Because we're going to go to Trader Joe's and the bread outlet. Their wheat outlet.
Whoa, there it is.
Oh, man, I missed it, huh?
I just saw lightning 2 times.
You did.
Yeah. It's fast.
See, it's right up there, too. See, what happens is the really warm air is messing with the cool air. And that's what causes it. It makes electricity. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah. That's how Ben Franklin tested his theory. He put a key on a kite and put it up there. And the lightning struck the key. That's why metal is very dangerous. If you get struck by lightning.
Did you see the lightning and thunder?
Oh, I'm recording it.
I just saw it on top. I just saw it.
I thought it was the base earlier. The base, or maybe a neighbor fixing a car or something. Because it was, oh man, did you see that one? Yeah, because the cell's just right there above the houses. Oh, Lauren, you missed it.
What?
Flashes of lightning. 2 or 3 of them. They look like they're over the mission. I want to say that's over towards Los Alamos, but it's not. It's too close, probably. Holy crap. That's a big roll of thunder, isn't it? I hope it doesn't start a fire. That's for sure. We don't need no fires out here, do we? No. No. The mountain lions and the deer and the bobcats and the wild turkeys and the quail.
Yeah.
All those animals, the foxes, they all need their homes, huh? Is that it?
I have seen lightning, but I should be inside.
Okay, sweetie. Get your jacket on. Get your hooded jacket on so we can get ready to go.
I will go over the ends and tell them I saw two.
Here comes more. Wow, see that one? I probably shouldn't be recording. Maybe I should shut this off before I get